Hey guys, it's Katie. Today I'll be showing you our beautiful 6-inch Delight lace boots, okay? I love these ones. They're a little bit different from the kind that I usually wear, so I'm super excited to show you today. As you can see, as I said before, they are our Delight. You can find it just on this little tag just here on the box. They are pleasers with beautiful butterflies all over. I love them. Let me show you what I mean, as they're a little bit different. So, they are individually wrapped, okay? Nice and protected. It is beautiful rose golden black, okay, with this nice rose gold lace. So, normally it is nice and sunny outside, but today the clouds are a little bit in the way, so we'll take you outside and show you still, but it might not be as reflective as it usually is. Nice grippy part as well, which is what I like. The other one is also individually wrapped. And you do have your drawstring bag as well for extra protection, okay? Now, they do have a little bit of paper in here, but we'll just take that out. Love these, look at that. Nice 6-inch, not too high, not too low. Now I'll pop them on for you. I like to undo my laces because they do go all the way down. It is nice and easy to put them on. Just like that. I do my laces from the bottom usually, like that. Tied in a nice bow, and it's that easy. These ones I do the same. Pop it down the ground, it's a bit easier. Nice soft material here as well, so your feet hopefully won't ache by the end of the night. I know mine don't. I wear heels all the time. They are open toe, okay, so your foot won't get too hot in them. And look at that beautiful lace. Look at all that detail. Absolutely amazing. Super easy to walk in as well. Not too high, not too low. And open at the back as well. Let me give you a little side view. Really gorgeous. If you're after a boot and don't want the full enclosed one, these are a great option. They are nice and supportive on the back of your leg. So much easier to walk in as well. Now, I'll take you outside. Looks like we're in luck. The sun is out, which is what I love. That. Can you see that? Beautiful reflection onto the ground. So stunning. you see that? So glad the sun's out. Have a look at that. How gorgeous is that? Look at the lace too. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click on that little bell. You'll be notified when all of our new videos are out. I'm hoping you guys are loving this as much as I am. Look at all that detail, I love them. Is that easy? Don't forget, leave us your feedback, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the little bell as well. See you guys!